I move out of the way.
I get my exercises when you fake wall sit.
You find some macro.
And Jay, all right, did everything.
Very nice lady wants to talk to all of you, so that's
God, I have
like apartments.
Can you spell your name first?
Last name is Werner, W-E-R-N-E-R.
What's your first name?
Josh, J-O-S-H.
Okay, so tell us about Mr. Wilbur. What is the side of the story here?
Mr. Wilbur's side of the story is probably going to be presented on Friday, so I'm a little bit, it'll be a little bit early for me to give you that kind of information at this point in time. On Friday, there'll be a hearing here at the Taunton Court that'll, the government will be presenting some evidence, which we're going to attempt to use to establish the fact that he's not in the community, and at that point in time, we'll have to cross-examine some of the witnesses, and we'll have to represent our side of the collaboration.
just from a technical standpoint. You mentioned the Valor Act. Explain how that plays into this. What's the point of it here?
The Valor Act is an act which is established here in Massachusetts, which protects our United States service people who served honorably in combat and in the military. And in that situation, the Valor Act prescribes certain rules and regulations that the court should follow if they determine that the individual falls within the parameters of the Valor Act, i.e. served in the military, honorably discharged, and have no prior criminal record of any sort, which obviously has no prior criminal record.
Counsel, what's his state of mind right now?
He's obviously very upset about this, and there's an allegation that there were shots that were fired and things along those lines, in which I know he made very great pains to talk to the officers involved in this particular case. Obviously, being an officer himself, and making sure that he understands that there was absolutely no attempt to do any harm to any of the officers involved in this situation.
How is he doing right now? Will you just talk to him?
He's hanging in there. He's obviously upset, and he's concerned about the well-being of his family and everybody else along those lines. And he's concerned about the officers who are involved in this. He's going to hold up as best he can under the circumstances.
So there was no intent to shoot at the officers. What was it? Was it shooting?
There was it's a long and sort of, it's a little bit long of a tale for me to tell you at this particular point in time. But obviously, he's an individual who, because of his position in the police department, he has in his possession some firearms he was working on in the basement of his house when this incident happened. That's
Did they go off accidentally?
I think that may be some of the information that may come forward, but that's a little too early to tell right now.
Do you think there's a mental health situation around here?
This is a gentleman who's obviously he's a veteran of the United States Services, 19 years on the force. I don't have to tell you anything. I think we can all probably very much agree that I think that if you're looking at probably one of the most stressful jobs in the entire world, being a police officer not only 10 years ago was stressful, but even more so these days is an incredibly stressful position. My hat goes off to anybody who serves in the color blue or in the fire department, things along those lines. Because being a cop these days is not an easy job. And there are an amazing amount of stresses that probably we as the general citizens can't even begin to understand what they go through on a daily basis. Is it true mental health issues? Probably not. No, I don't think substance mental health issues per se, but is it an issue of some stress-related issues as it relates to his work, his employment, and things that he's probably really seen on the job? There may be some of that.
Why was it necessary to shield his face? Why couldn't he?
I think that's sort of, and please, I'm not saying this with any degree of disrespect. I think that sounds goes without saying. The Commonwealth was requesting that he be held in custody. And as much as I believe in freedom of the press, I don't think it's appropriate to have his face in the news at this point in time.
Can you shed light on what the domestic call was for? Was his wife having an issue with him?
No, I mean I don't know very much about that at this point in time. I'm not spoken to his wife, so I can't really get you any information about that.
Do you know his mom's name? We just spoke to her. She said Cindy, but is it Wilbur? Do you know the last name?
Honestly, I apologize. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I don't know the answer to that. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thanks, Josh.
All right, thanks, Josh.
All right, no, thank you all very much.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
If you give me 10 seconds, I left a bunch out in the car, but I don't have any more right now.
Doesn't he look a little like George C. Scott?
I don't know. I mean, I always imagine George C. Scott in the scene in Patton, but it's like that's the only thing that comes to my mind with George C. Scott. I can't really think that's a drone plate. So. Yeah, that's, you know, it looks like somebody's out fishing. So, hunting in the wilderness.
I don't think he's going to give that up.
I don't know. That's not contained in the report, so I don't know at the moment. And once again, I haven't spoken to his wife, so I don't
Be
know.
able to get access to the arrest affidavit and stuff.
You may be, that's up to the clerk's office. I don't take any position on that, so obviously that's up to them. So I apologize. No problem.
Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you very much. Take care. Good luck on that. Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, it's next to wireless. 35.